everyone, I'm Dikshant Rawat with bachelor's degree in technology from Punjab Technical University. Currently, I'm working as a dispatcher with TruckSmartz. I speak with multiple customers, drivers, custom brokers to ensure timely delivery of goods, and I provide outstanding customer service. And one thing, this as an individual has helped me in enhancing my problem solving, multitasking skills. And what I love about this job is that no 2 days are same. Each day provides us with multiple challenges, and I have handled multiple responsibilities while working with many clients, like managing the orders, trip, updating the miscellaneous expenses, updating the PODs, payroll of the drivers, updating customers about the ETA, account payable, account receivable, and many more. Thank you.